Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the motion blur effect to create a blurry aesthetic photo in the CapCut mobile. So here you can just start by click on the new project and then add your photo into the CapCut mobile. For example, I'm going to use these photos right here. And after that, just go to effect, click on the video effect. Now click on the lens category and scroll down until you find the motion blur effect. This one, click on that. So this will be the default result, but you can always adjust it more. You can here adjust the intensity of the blur and also the horizontal like this. I like with this result. Click on the check icon and there you go. This is your photo now. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.